Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Are you currently in a situation where you can't open the task manager? Today I will discuss how to fix task manager has been disabled by your administrator in Windows 11. I have a request. If you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Click start button. Click search bar, then type group policy editor. Open the local group policy editor. In the left hand side pane, navigate to user configuration. Expand administrative templates. Expand system. Click Ctrl plus Alt plus delete options. Double click on the remove task manager option. In the next window, select the disable. Click apply and then click OK. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.